Today is another get ready with me, but this time is a makeup get ready with me. So I'm just trying. No one should come from me. Mention where I get the products from. Most of them are from Instagram. They are my vendors. I buy from them. I first moisturize my lips. So my face is already cleansed. I don't have much to say other than applying my makeup. Okay, let me say this. I'm not good with makeup. Why? First, I feel lazy applying it. Secondly, I love it when a professional does my makeup. And then thirdly, when I do it, I don't get the nice finish I really like. So I also have this Key Face primer, which is almost like a moisturizer. So no need to apply the serum. I just go straight to this primer. It's called Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. This is it. I work this primer, which is also like a moisturizer, into my skin. My mirror is here, so pardon me for that. And for those who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and follow me on other socials. I love this primer. This is it. I got it from Shawmi's Beauty Supply. I've kept my time mentioning the vendors and then explaining what they do or what they sell, because most of you were asking in my previous skincare. So if you haven't watched my skincare videos, please, you can go on TikTok. I am Mafua, and then watch. From the makeup girlies, they say you have to moisturize your skin and prep your skin well, so that your makeup looks flawless at the end. And this is what I'm going for, even though I'm so bad with makeup. I have this Zaron oil block mattifier, but it looks like I'm doing too much. And when I want to wear the makeup for a very long time, that's when I use this oil block from Zaron. And there is this trick as an oily skin, babe. There is this trick I always do when I'm applying my makeup, just to keep the oil a bit at bay. So I'm just using this brush I got from Shawmi's Beauty Supply. Sorry if I'm butchering the name, but that's how I pronounce it. Shawmi, sorry if I'm butchering the name. Apply a powder on my face. This powder, satin powder, is Laura Mercier in translucent, and I don't remember where I got this from. Yeah, I use the satin powder on top of my primer. If you have an oily skin just as I do, you can do the same procedure. So I prefer doing my brow before I apply my foundation. Yes, because why not? Because why not? And let's get into the brow. With my brow, I'll first use a pointy pencil to arc the brow, and then fill in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow refiner. It also has this scoop, so I'll use this one to blend it in. Let's do it. So first, I'll brush my brow. When I'm looking at this direction, I keep saying my mirror is here. I'll first arc my brow with this MAC aloe vera and vitamin E. I don't know if it's the original MAC or the fake. I don't know where I got it from. Now inside my brow, the oil will start peeping through, so I have to set it with 3D brow styling soap from Kiss Beauty. I had this from Shawmi's. This is how it looks like. Just setting the brow, nothing serious. I'm not playing music. I'm also speaking to you guys so the music can wait. If I don't use a very dark pencil on my Milan skin, nothing will show that I've done my brow. Well, I prefer dark pencils. So my hair relaxed, you see. It's like I'm too relaxed. I clean my brow with my concealers, especially the concealer which has my skin tone. I use it to clean my brow. This one is Juvia's Palace, the shade 5, and this one is LA. The one which is my exact shade is LA Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa, and I use the Chestnut for highlighting. I had all these concealers from Shawnee's Beauty Supply. Can't go wrong with hair. Use the brush to do the application bit by bit. I'm not a pro. I'm not all that good, so I take my time when I'm doing such things. Also mean taking my time, else I'll mess everything up. Whenever I draw my brow, what becomes nicer than another? Who has same issue? Please comment below. Eyebrow check. I use a concealer at the back of my hand and apply it on my eyelid just to set it for my eyebrow. I don't wear lashes when I do my makeup because I can't. I use the Laura Mercier setting powder to set the brow. So give me that smooth base. But then if you have eyeshadow base too, you can use it. I do not have eyeshadow base. This technique is already good. Before I apply my foundation, I go in with a blush stick, and at the same time it is kind of highlighter, L monochromatic multi stick. Put it at my cheekbone before I apply my foundation. This is my new babe. This foundation is from Rev Deluxe. Oh, it's all in one. Foundation and a concealer. Like if someone is able to do a whole makeup. I love it. I love it for her. So this brush is also from Zara. Brush is very good, and it's true. It's very dense, compacted, and very good. I love this foundation. I extend it a bit. My skin color on the chest is a bit lighter, and the neck color matches the face. So what I'll do is I'll just use concealer to blend everything up to match it up. I'll still use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade of Cocoa for normal concealing, and I'll highlight it with any of the concealer which will highlight. After highlighting, I would like to go in my bronzer from ELF. And I got it from Shawnee's Beauty Supply. ELF Pretty Bronzer. ELF Pretty Bronzer. So I'll use this one as liquid bronzer. Right beneath the concealer, that's where I'm applying my bronzer. So right after applying the concealer on your face, do not blend it up. Wait for it to air dry a bit before you blend it up so that you get a nice finish. So this is L'Oreal palette, and it's the mixture of cream and matte highlighter, but then I use it as a lipstick and at the same time my liquid blush. I work it with my finger into my skin. If I don't want my concealer to lift, I use brush to blend it, because whenever I use the beauty sponge, it lifts the concealer, and by the time I'm done blending, there will be no concealer. Take your time and blend. You want to have that. So I'll take this old brush once again. This brush is old. Yeah, so but I love it. It's very dense, so you have control when you're using it. Unless I have a replacement. Yes, I'll trade it away. I am going in to highlight anywhere which needs highlighting. I want to go highlight. Then I use the Maybelline Age Remind Concealer in the shade of Hazelnut. I want to give me the super highlight I want this. So you see, it has lifted the under eye. Really, you blend the concealer in, you have to set it. Else, me for example, that I have this oily skin, my under eye will start creasing. So now I have to set all the area I've highlighted with a setting powder. I will first go in with a translucent powder. Before, if I want to highlight, I go in with a lighter powder. So now, let me use this. I push the product into my skin. So when I take the product, I tap, and I'll push the rest into my skin. Push it in. My under eye is creasing, so I have to go in again before I start. So you can see that my oils are already peeping through, especially look at my eyebrow, even though I set it. So what I do is I use the excess and then tap into the brow. Just clear the oil which is peeping through. See the way I'm doing it? This time I'm not pushing it in, I'm swiping the excess powder from my face. So you see the difference here. I blended in before I applied the powder. Here I forgot. So you can see the hash line. Before I apply my finished powder, let me set the bronzer, my powder bronzer, to set the liquid one. And I had this from Back End Beauty Supply. I take some, I dab it at the back of my hand before it goes to my face. Oh, it's very deep. This highlighter from Fenty Beauty, I use the shade. So sorry, it's not recording. I use my blush palette from ELF. Eyeshadow palette is from Huda. This is an old palette. Finishing powder to finish up everything, to blend everything in from there. So let me set it with this one. Let's move to the eyeliner. This eyeliner is from MAC. So I'll go with this black pencil, Revlon Color Stay Eyeliner Crayon, and I'm using it to line my waterline. But what I do is I use the same eyeshadow colors under my, but you see what I'm doing, so that I'll have this look. I don't wear lashes. I can't wear lashes. I cannot come and kill myself. So this mascara is from Lancome. If you can recommend a mascara which will extend my lashes or make it fuller, comment the mascara name below. This is the final step. So I'm going in with this MAC pencil. I had it for a very long time. It's very smooth. I should use this CoverGirl lipstick. I like it. When I apply lipstick, I still go in with my L'Oreal lip palette. It gives me this juiciness. It feels like butter. This pencil. So guys, the tutorial is done. I have really tried. Big ups to all the girlies who have been doing makeup tutorials. It's not easy. By the way, how do I look? Rate me over 10. Please leave a comment. Rate me. Don't come for me. I mean, give me a polite comment. This wig is from 92 Strands on Instagram. Please link it up. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, kindly please subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Bye.